Hi! In front of me is our Magic for Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin with opening settings. After that, you need to click on More Connections and select Printing. After that, you can tap on Default Print Service right away or choose Add Service and install the preferred one. I will go with HP one. When it's ready, click on the back button twice. Now click on Printing Service that you wish to use and tap on this switcher if it's not already on. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!